Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some free quotation brushes. So all you need some rubber band and some lock on your journey. Okay, so let's get started. The first, get your rubber band. Just put it like so like this. For all that you need, after only 1 minute. There you go. Then get your lock of your bulb, and then you're gonna show you how to put like that, and then you're gonna push on, and you're gonna hear the clip. So wait me guys, and I'm gonna make some fur. Okay, this is the finished part. So I already made the um my top. So I already made some 3 of them. So I'm gonna show you how to pour it on. So you need some mirror. So I already have a mirror. Okay. So get your rain, and you're gonna get this, and then you're gonna hack like this, and then you're gonna push your top like that, and like that. Show you. Let me show you. Like that. There's some milk. That is some fruits. I'll show you how to put it. There we go. Now I'm gonna put in the red collection. There we go. I'm gonna put my bottom now. There we go. So guys, thanks for watching this video. And also like this video. And share this video. And also subscribe this video. So guys, and I have a question to you guys. Comment down below if you have braces or some fake braces. Comment naman. Thanks for watching this video. And this is what just on to English guys. Bye.